Is your iPhone camera coming out blurry and the focus not working? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you quick and easy solutions to fix the blurry and focus issues on your iPhone. Solution 1. Clean the camera lens. Gently wipe the camera lens with a microfiber cloth. Make sure there's no dirt, smudges, or fingerprints affecting the lens. Check if the photos are clearer now. Solution 2. Force close the camera app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen and pause in the middle on iPhones without a home button, or double-click the home button on iPhones with a home button. Find the camera app and swipe up to close it. Reopen the app and check if it's working. After that, restart your iPhone and check your device. Solution 3. Enable lens correction. Open Setting, scroll down, tap Camera, scroll down, find out lens correction, make sure to turn it on. Solution 4. Check for iOS updates. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General. If an update is available, tap Download and Install. After updating, see if the camera quality improves. Solution 5. Reset all settings. Open Settings, scroll down and tap General. Scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then select Reset All Settings. Confirm by tapping Reset All Settings again. Your settings will be reset, but your data won't be lost. Test your camera afterwards. Solution 6. Check for hardware issues. Inspect the camera for any physical damage. If the lens is cracked or damaged, it might need repair. Contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for further assistance. So that's how you can fix a blurry camera on your iPhone. If this video helped, don't forget to hit the like button. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you soon. Thanks for watching.